welcome to EagleEye Screen Review. So let's jump into the email. So this is sprint 39. And our goal is to experiment with categorizing our emails subject with AI. So I did it with EagleEye, but result is inconclusive. And I need to compare with column to try some embedding, and we create some PBI, right? So it's 1 week. There's time span. And here is the spring review backlog. So let's go to the detailed PBIs. So for the done ones, so for the first one is a pull request. So I fixed some logic calculations on the participant. And for the second one is I paired with EagleEye on categorizing all emails with AI. But we didn't have like a good result. But we do have some come up with several PBIs during the experiments. And next one is to add a rank column for this one. So on the all reports, we now have a rank column here. And also we updated the annual review like a template. We will add a rank here. So that's it. Oh, we have some in progress one. Let me go to here. So we have two in progress. For the first one is to sync historical data. We did the benchmark on production and the result is good. So we resolved the issue. So currently, if we syncing a long data range, it is quite stable. In the end, it took like 5 minutes, but before it would took like 1 hour to sync 1 day's data. Okay, and go back to next one. So for this one, checking on text emails. So it's still in progress. It needs some like a change both in the engine and the reports. Yes. Okay, so that's it. Let's continue. So we have one engine deployments. And for job execution, we have one failed job. And I create a PBI for it. We will fix this in the next sprint. And here is the report views. EagleEye, Brady, and Stefan, top 3 non-dev users. And for Epic, we finished one PPI on redesign category syntax. And so we closed this Epic and we added a new Epic and response time. So Andy, categorize email subjects with AI, using AI with EagleEye. So that's it. Let's go to the retro. Okay, what went well? We resolved the data syncing issue. And from Toby, so we came back to the PBI, categorizing email subjects into text with AI. And we have them in our meeting. So what didn't go so well, we didn't complete like half of the PBIs due to underestimation. What could be improved? So we booked a Ken for the mockups to for the admin portal. And we will try embedding on the categorizing email subjects. Yeah, we will do it in the next sprint. Yeah, so let's retro. Any question? Are good? Good.
All good.
So let's go to the forecast. Oh, by the way, I added a sprint goal, so it's to add authentication. Yeah. Good. So next week is 2 weeks. So because I'm doing spec review with Colin and Rick, so it's 2 weeks. And actually it's like 7 days. And so our main goal is to add authentication for the for admin portal. Yeah, we are going to use identity server. Yeah, but we need to check with like Goldie, yeah, to have a look at this one. And we are continue to working on those two PBI, and we got Ken to work on the mockups. And for the last two is to try the embedding.
I can address those last two if you'd like, Luke. So the first one,
Yeah,
the
sure.
static analysis for clustering. The idea there is to take our sample set of 10,000 subjects and calculate the embeddings for all of them, and then run some clustering algorithms to see if we can sort of assign tags to emails that don't necessarily meet any of our sort of programmatic substring style tagging processes, but can, based on the embeddings, still be categorized. And then the second POC is a more dynamic process, which would be we sort of build up a reference set of email subjects and their tag and their embedding. And then every time a new email comes in, we can compare its embedding with our reference set, find the most similar emails, and then either directly assign the same tag or use all that as input to an AI request to assign a tag if it thinks it makes sense or whatever. That's why it's a proof of concept. We're not sure exactly yet, but yeah, those are the two PBIs down the bottom.
Yeah. Thanks, Colin. Yeah. Okay, so that's the forecast. Okay.
All good.
Okay, yeah. So that's all for this review, and you can check out our videos on our YouTube channel. Yeah. Okay, see you guys. Bye.
See you.
Thanks.
Good recording.